Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Thursday, April 4th, 2013. The market opened up this morning here at 1550.25, right in the middle of our opening range. I want to show you the higher time frame chart, just to give you a rough idea. I want you to see how price action really used these shark bands to its benefit. When they opened up this morning, we saw the shark bands were very tight. And so didn't really want to be taking any further long positions unless we got above this second shark band. And then we ended up staying in the consolidation range most of the morning in the opening range. Notice how they respected these shark bands. These hook patterns did not develop to the long side. Hook patterns did not develop to the short side. Inverted head and shoulders did not develop. It never broke through the neckline for a continuation. Let's go ahead and look over on a lower time frame chart. Okay, so from our lower time frame chart, you can see our opening price was here at 1550.25. Price action, we had a news report this morning, I think 20,000 more on the jobless claims issue, which is bad news, and the market moves up, which we see happen quite often. Expecting the news to follow through to the news report in the afternoon, moving into the upside, had an opportunity to get long right there at about 10 minutes before 10, wrote it up for a total of 9 ticks. You'll see some of these auto waves firing off. Did not want to take them. They were going right into the middle of shark bands. On that previous screen, I showed you where the shark bands were causing resistance. We did not want to go long into that. Price action worked its way down below the moving average. Had a nice opportunity to get short, pull back, continuation long, and in this particular setup, we were coming off of opening price, anywhere from 9 to 21 ticks on this particular move, depending on where you had your stop and what your ultimate targets were. In this particular case, our target was up there around 1555.5. With a trailing stop, price action eventually worked its way up into this area. No further trades for this morning. There was one little setup that fired off here going into a no trade zone, but fortunately it was in the no trade zone. Nobody took it. Otherwise, that would have been a first opportunity for a potential full stop out. No trade zone from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. And then I did try to take price action drop below the moving average. I tried to take a short, and then did not like the price action, got out over here for a minus 0 ticks. That was it for the day. We had a lot of sideways movement, and it kind of just waffled in between the two shark bands for the rest of the day. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you. Have a great evening, and I'll see you in the Shark Den in the morning.